you are looking for a recurring revenue model platform where you can host your memberships, your classes, things like that, you're in the right spot. I'm getting ready to reveal 4 of my favorite platforms that you can use to start a membership-based online platform. And trust me, you want to have your own platform because social media, we don't know when that's going down. You know what I'm saying? So outside of your email list and outside of your Facebook group and outside of your IG page that you think is yours, you need to have a community-based model where you're charging your clients, charging your customers, and making that monthly revenue. You don't need $1,000 to get any of these platforms. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be super technical. You just need to get started. After I drop these platforms, make sure you go check them out, check out their website, get a free trial, get a feel, and find out which ones are best for your business based on your business model. Okay, so let's jump into the first one. Now, I know y'all about to try to jump on me for real, but hear me out. The first one is OnlyFans. Now, I know a lot of people know it for having adult content, but a lot of people run their course content exclusive behind the scenes revenue model on there that are not doing adult content. People have cooking classes on there and, sewing classes on there. So you can use it. I mean, you're going to have to fight the stigma a little bit. But if you want to have a recurring model where people are charging a certain amount, where you're charging people a certain amount and they're paying you and you're uploading X, Y, and Z, you can use OnlyFans. One of the cool things about OnlyFans is that you get to control the revenue model. You can have the monthly subscription on top of a pay-per-view. So if you're like, hey, it's $10 to get in, but then it's $5 extra if you just want to do fitness classes or this, that, and the third. Or if you have a cooking class and it's $5 whenever you bring a master chef in. So it does have that model and it is an option, and I know a lot of people don't look at it outside of what we know it to be for the most. And let me not even do that, because depending on where you are in the world, your cultural background, your ethnicity, you may not look at OnlyFans like how some people look at it. If you want to have a revenue model, you can use it in the long run. Professionally, it may not be your best bet later on, but who am I to judge that? But it is an option, okay? The second one is, drumroll please, Mighty Networks. A really, really dope feature with Mighty Networks is you can go live inside of Mighty Networks. You also have access to a Zoom integration, so that's super cool as well. Mighty Networks is an all-in-one platform. You can hold videos, courses, classes, challenges. If you are a creator, you're a owner of a gym, and you like, hey, I want to have a platform where the people who don't come in person, they want to take on-demand fitness classes, you can use Mighty Networks. You can organize your videos in the menu. You can do like cardio, strengthening, healing, whatever the categories may be, you can put those in there. Mighty Networks is known for their community, known for having features for you to really build a bond and a real connection between you and the people inside application inside of that system. So Mighty Networks is super, super, super dope. You can create a monthly plan and you can also create an annual plan for people as well. And they also have options for you to have chat rooms and everything else so that you can really grow that relationship between you and your clients, your students, whatever the case may be. The third one is Patreon. Patreon is another option for you to hold your online classes, hold your online model, make your membership revenue type of thingy thing on Patreon. The difference with Patreon and a lot of these other ones is Patreon is not charging you a monthly fee. Instead, they do a percentage. I want to say it's 8% out of one account and 12% out of the other one, but if you are not making a lot of money and they're only taking 8%, you don't feel like, well, I owe blank amount per month and I didn't get anybody to sign up. So if you're new to content creation and membership revenue models, you may want to test out Patreon first until you build your model and stay in there if you like it. If you don't like it, you can leave out and try to move your audience over to another one once you build up your money, okay? Excuse me, I'm not trying to throw Patreon under the bus like, oh, it's the bad one, just go in there for the percentage revenue model. I was just saying that if you in times was hard, you could use Patreon to get started. Then if you did not like it, you can move out. But a lot of people love Patreon. A lot of artists and their bands, all type of people, no matter what you're selling. If you are a person that has something that people want to pay for monthly, courses, classes, fitness, gym, cooking, yoga, whatever the case may be, all of these platforms apply to you, okay? The fourth one is Uscreen. Uscreen is an all-in-one platform made for content creators, video creators, owners, brand owners, for you to host your videos and charge people a monthly fee. It's just like the other three. But Uscreen is different prices, different structures, different features. Uscreen has a really aesthetically pleasing landing page. So once you create everything, the page that people are going to be able to see to sign up, if you design it correctly, is going to really help you bring those leads in. It's really going to help you bring people in because people buy things that look good, okay? Let's talk about one of the dope features about Uscreen. They have a Netflix-based model, like the screen, like the interface. So they kind of like took a play off the way Netflix looks. So that's how your videos will look to your audience, and that's super engaging to keep people in there, especially from turning it off. Another super dope thing about Uscreen is you can go live in there as well. So if you want to do live video, Uscreen is another amazing option. I want to say you can go live in Patreon. I probably should have definitely double looked that up before I did this video. I'm not saying you can't. And I know y'all probably on the other screen like, girl, what's up with you and Patreon? Nothing, I swear. I just can't remember if they had live. But you know what? Hold on. I'm about to look. We're about to find out. We're going to go see do Patreon offer live video. Right on screen. Because I'm trying to play them. I'm sorry, Patreon. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, they have a crowdcast, but yes. So if you do a basically not a partnership, but you have to do a connection between Vimeo and then you can go live inside of Patreon. So it's another type of road you got to take, but yes, in the end result, you can go live in Patreon. Okay. So those are my 4 favorites. And if you need more help with your business or starting something like this, I offer one-on-one mentorships. I'm your girl and I'm from Chicago. Okay. You know what you're doing, what kind of business do you have? Comment it below. Can I shop with you? Can I rock with you? Other than that, I'm out of here. 5,000. I'm about to get back to work. And I got some soup that I made, so I'm about to go bang that. I'm about to go